Alright, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been like a month or so. I've got a lot done on this truck. As you can see, the firewall is bed lined. We used one bottle of bed liner on the firewall and it looks real good. It's just gonna make the truck last a little longer, I think, and it's just make it look nice too and be durable. And it'll probably act as like a sound deadening too. So let's put you on a tripod and let's take some of this plastic thing off the truck. So here's the firewall. Maybe a little lighter for you guys. I couldn't be any happier with that. And then these are the drains that I made, because I had to cut this whole section out. This is actually exhaust tubing. It's 2.5-inch exhaust tubing. That's where you see the rounded part. Usually from factory it would be pinched weld, 3 layers pinched weld, because it would be this top layer, this bottom layer, and there's a piece of the cowl, or like the drain piece right here. That would be like the 3rd layer, and that would be in the middle. That would be between this layer and this layer. So just took a piece of 2.5-inch exhaust tubing, put it in there, welded everything in there. Then I made flat plates that will sit right on top of the tubing and the factory cab. And looks like nothing ever happened. And it's a little messy because of the gun. I put a little too much in there. Just want to make everything look nicer than it was before. And it looks like that way. The next step would be putting this cab on the frame, which is finally, just going back on the frame. I will have to make mounts. It's gonna need a lot of body work and stuff like that. I am painted the same color as the what was it, metallic green. I had a dash that I repainted. It's gonna be that same exact color on the outside with the two-tone white. So we'll see how that goes. But I don't know when we're gonna put the cab on, but it's probably gonna be in this video, so stick around. Back in the truck, but I already did the front bags, so I'm sorry. I was busy. This was probably like a few weeks back, and I've been busy, alright? So forgive me. I know, I got excuses. But I do have to remount the rear bag, so I will show you guys how I'm going to remount these bags. So as of right now, I have the rear bags on top of the axle right here and on the axle C-notch on the frame. Now this is okay and all, but when the bags expand, this plate comes out to here, and I'm trying to move away from the wheel, but I did not fully weld this, so I can cut it, and then I did kind of fully weld that. So I'm gonna cut that there, cut that there, cut that there. Move this bracket to somewhere around here on the bars, and I'm gonna fix this. So don't worry about that. I'm gonna cut those, or I'm gonna use the air hammer, pop those out, put a plate there, and make this seamless. Same thing there. But I'm gonna have to mount that plate somewhere in the middle of this bar right here. And I have plates that come off this that mounts the bottom of the bag onto the bars. And I also have to make new bars because this is only an inch diameter tubing, and I don't think that's gonna be enough for a 12 valve Cummins with all that torque. So I got a bigger bar with Heim joints on the front and wider spacers in the rear, because this was just for mock-up. As you can see, it doesn't go all the way to the edge. So I got 3-inch spacers that'll go on the other, and I got the bar then that's 1.5 inches, so it's a little bit bigger, more beefier. And yeah, so let's get started.